Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this eye look right here. I just did the eyes, not the face, because ain't nobody got time for that. So I created this look using the new Tatibeauty palette, the Texture Neutral Volume 1. So I did this. I didn't review it, I just did the eyes because I didn't feel like reviewing it because there's a lot of reviews already done on YouTube and I just wanted to get to the point. Tati, she actually did a review of it and she explained it pretty well. If you guys want to see it, I'll link her video in the description box. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much because I don't want to. Before you leave, just make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell if you want to. I ain't gonna force you. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started on today's look. I already did my foundation, eyebrows, so now I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm gonna be using the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot to prime my eyes to cancel out my veinies and whatnot, and I'm using Morphe Jacqueline Hue JH08 to cancel out my eyes. Okay, so now that we primed our eyes, we're gonna go in the Tatibeauty palette and we're gonna set our lids with, we're gonna use that and set our lids. Yeah, these shadows are very pigmented, so you wanna dust off the excess and just pat on your lids. It should look a little something like that. Next shade, we're gonna start with our crease. We're going into the matte shade of Soothe, which is this shade right here, our transition shade. Like you need to barely tap. We're going to start building our crease. We're gonna tap, tap, swirl into the crease. And just do that until you get it to your liking. Alrighty, so there's that. And I tapped, I tapped it about 3 times for my liking. Okay, so next shade we're going to do is going to go into the matte shade Ritual, which is the dark brown right here. And we're just gonna intensify our outer corner. We're just gonna barely tap because this is so... Gonna swirl and then buff it into the crease. Swirl, buff into the crease. So I tapped in that shade 2 times. So yeah. And next color we're gonna go into Soothe, which is this color, this row right here. We're gonna go into the metallics of that, and we're gonna put that on our lid. And I'm using my finger on this one, on this shade. We're just gonna smudge it on our eye. Well, not smudge it, we'll put it on our eye. It's a pretty color. And then okay, now we're gonna go back into Ritual, the dark brown, and just make it a little darker. Not too dark, but a little darker. Just the swirling motion, windshield wipers. Okay, just taking the fluffy brush again to make sure there's no harsh lines. Alrighty, so our eyes should look a little something like this. And now we're gonna go into the glitter part, which I'm super excited to play with. I'm gonna do, let's see, we're probably gonna play with Ritual and Soothe glitter. So we're gonna start off with the Soothe glitter right here. I'm using my finger because I feel like these are best applied with your finger. I'm just gonna dab that onto the eyelid over Soothe Metallic. You can leave it like that, but I want to intensify the glitter. And I'm gonna go in with Ritual glitter, which is like the darker brown glitter. And I'm gonna use my finger again. Just mix it. And there's that. So now we're gonna go back into Ritual, the dark brown. Tap off, just because I feel like it's going away. Don't want to keep it too dark, but I feel like that's good. And now to finish up the eye, I'm in the metallic shade, this color right here. And I'm going to pop that in my inner corner and then on my brow bone. To finish off this look. Alrighty, so that's what our eyes should look like. And now I'm just gonna go finish up the eye and pop some lashes on, and then I'll be back to finish to smoke out the bottom lash line. Be right back. Alrighty, now that we have our mascara and lashes on, we're gonna finish up this look by smoking out our lower lash line. So let's see, we're gonna go back into the matte shade of Soothe, the tan color, the light brown shade, and we're gonna take like a fluffy brush like this just to smoke out the line, our lower lash line. That's actually not doing it, so we're gonna take the Real Technique shading brush and use this instead because that other brush wasn't doing it. Maybe there we go. That would not have been pretty. Okay, we're just gonna take our fluffy brush to buff it a little lower, so it's not just a harsh straight line. We're gonna take our MAC Extended Play lower mascara. Well, I use it for my lower lashes. To finish it up, we'll do our bottom lashes. Our eyes are complete. And I'm gonna do some lipstick. Hey guys, here's the completed glamorous sparkly look. That's it for today's video, so I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!